everybody, welcome. Now, I'm really busy again today. I do apologise. But people have been asking me, where's the school dinners gone? So I'm going to do one today, but I'm not going to do it on the wheel. I've picked one because, as I say, I'm really busy. So I want something that really does itself, sort of thing, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to do toad in the hole. School dinner's toad in the hole. Simple, it does itself, where I can crack on with what I've got to do. So, let me show you what I've got. Right, I've got the oven on already. The oven's warming up. I've got 8 sausages, 8 pork sausages, that's what it says. £1.49, I think they were from Aldi. I've got 4 eggs, it says use 4 eggs. I've also got vegetable oil. I finally got some proper oil from Aldi. Woohoo! I need 1 tablespoon of that. 250 ml of milk. And 225 grams of plain flour. And a bit of salt and pepper to taste. So first things first. Get the sausages over in a frying pan and just brown up, or put them in the oven for 10. So I'm going to stick them in the oven for 10, because then you can get the fat off the sausage. Well, I've got the pan out, the pan's boiling off. So hopefully these sausages start sizzling straight away. So let's put the 8 sausages in. So let's cut them up and get them in. I mean, I could have used Cumberland and all that, but I just wanted to do normal pork sausages, cheapest ones I can get. Washing my hands. Then it says 1 tablespoon of oil on the top of the sausages. That's all the oil we're going to be using for this Yorkshire. Well, for this toad in the hole, so it's going to be interesting. But we'll see. 1 tablespoon of this. Over the sausage. Sprinkle it over, it says. And we will stick that in the oven for 10 minutes. Right, while they're in the oven for 10 minutes, it says now, so don't forget to follow instructions. Flour in a bowl. Add the eggs. Whoops, nearly dropped it then. Flour in a bowl. Add the eggs. Then, and half the milk. Half the milk, see? When I do my Yorkshires, I mix that first. And my Yorkshires come out perfect. So half the milk. It's about half. Whisk together till smooth. Then add the rest of the milk. Okay? Do that. Well, that's quite smooth now. Now add the rest of the milk slowly to form a batter. So we'll do that. Done. And then just season with salt and pepper to taste. So this is where I've got a problem with this, because put some salt in. On a lot of them recipes there's no salt. So why haven't I put it on them other recipes? Season to taste. Instead of things being quite bland. So we'll wait for them sausages now. Right, they've been in 10 minutes, them sausages, so I'm getting them out. They've just started to go brown a little bit. There they are. Spread them out, it says. Get it sort of evenish, whatever. It will sort itself out anyway. Get over there, that'll do. They just pour over. Now I don't know whether this is going to rise, because that fat, and there's loads of it in here, and this is the same dish when I do my own. That doesn't even, oh mind you, yeah, he's probably cooking underneath. Right, it says go in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So it's going in the oven. Right, it's been in for about 25 minutes and it looks pathetic. It hasn't even risen yet. I'm not going to show you, I'm going to wait till the end, till the 40 minutes. But it's not looking promising, and I didn't think it would, because there's not enough oil in it. But it might start in a minute, but I doubt it. Right, it's been in 45 minutes. 40 minutes. I'm going to get it out and open the oven. There it is. So, what do you think? I think it's a little bit pathetic, actually. Yes. It's running clear. But, there we go. That's what they say. It's a good job. Because I don't think it's going to be very nice. I really don't. So it's a good job that I made a basic, simple cheese and potato pie. Well, we have some mash left. Some taters left. Before the shopping. Because I know that I think that's going to be disgusting. And it looks like it's sinking already. Useless. Anyway, let's... Yeah, I didn't put any tomatoes on there because I didn't have any. Move them off there because that'll explode. Not in my luck. So let's cut this open and have a look. I don't think I'll be eating this. Got a plate. Let's have a look. It's not even risen, look, it's pathetic. Look, it's not even cooked, man. But we'll see. I mean, you've seen what my Yorkshires are like and that. This is. Look at it. It's not even cooked in the middle, look. It's raw. And I'm not even going to eat that. I mean, I'll try a sausage. Shall I eat it? Won't make me bad. It's like rubber. I don't know if to try a bit. What do you think? Try a bit of the sausage. I mean, sausage, innit? Oh, it's hot. I mean, it's sausage, but this, I'll try a bit and I'll see. And get a bit off. Definitely not eating this anyway for dinner. No, that is disgusting. That's not cooked. It's nothing there. You can taste flour. That's vile. I remember that picture. Remember that? I'll keep a picture of that. And when I do my own, in the same pan, you'll see the difference. Mine rises like this. That's pathetic. Wow. But there you go. Don't do that. That's a complete waste of time. That's like, I knew it was going to be rubbish. I knew it was. I could tell. So there we go. It's a quick one because I'm busy, as I say. Good job I've done myself some cheese and tater pie. So if you do like content like this, old school menus, that one is probably one of the worst ones I've done. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.